In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an e-signature in Microsoft Word, step by step, so you can add a professional signature line to your document quickly and correctly. This is a really useful feature for contracts, agreements, forms, and any file that needs a clean digital signing process. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want the signature line to appear. This matters because once you insert the line, it will go right where your cursor is positioned. If you want it near the end of a letter, under a closing statement, or at the bottom of an agreement, click there first so everything stays organized. Next, go up to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of Microsoft Word. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Text group. Inside that section, you'll find the Signature Line option. Click on Signature Line and then choose Microsoft Office Signature Line from the menu that appears. This tells Word that you want to add a built-in digital signing field rather than just typing a name manually. After that, the Signature Setup box will appear on your screen. Here, you'll need to enter the signer's name, their title, and their email address if you have it. This information helps identify who is expected to sign the document. If you're preparing the file for someone else, make sure these details are accurate so the signature line looks professional and clear. You'll also see a couple of useful options in this setup window. You can allow the signer to add comments if you want them to leave notes during the signing process. You can also choose to show the sign date in the signature line, which is helpful for keeping records and tracking when the document was signed. Pick the options that fit your document best, then confirm the setup. Once the signature line is inserted, you'll see it appear in the document. At this point, the line is ready for signing. To sign it, double-click the signature line. Depending on your version of Word and the type of signature you're using, you may be able to type your name, insert an image of your signature, or use a digital ID. Choose the method that works best for your workflow and follow the prompts on screen. If you are the recipient of the document, this makes the signing process fast and simple. If you created the document yourself, it gives you a clean way to present a formal signature area instead of leaving a blank line. That makes your document look more polished and easier to complete. One important tip is to make sure the document is finalized before you send it out for signature. You don't want to make changes after the signing process has started, because that can affect the validity or appearance of the signature line. It's always a good idea to review the file one last time before requesting a signature. So, to recap, the process is simple. Click where you want the signature line, go to Insert, choose Signature Line, fill in the setup details, select your options, and then double-click the line when it's time to sign. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.